Hello learner, my name is Vignesh Viren and I'm an English language trainer. For me the best thing to do is to build my vocabulary. I like learning new words, using them in my language and sharing that with my students. One of the basic methods to improve your vocabulary, to learn new words, is using a dictionary. When you come across a new word, you search for that word in a dictionary. You'll try to understand the meaning of that word. You'll identify the parts of speech of it. Maybe you'll also get into the pronunciation aspects of it. You'll find a suitable context and you'll try to frame a statement out of this new word. Sometimes, to remember this word better, you'll also go through the antonyms of that word. Maybe this word, if you find it interesting, you'll go a step ahead, and you'll also try to find some interesting details about the word. All of this goes behind learning one word, and we use dictionary for this purpose. Yeah, but I have a problem with using dictionary. Today we'll discuss my problem with dictionary and we'll also look for a possible solution. So let's learn. I read a book called Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. A very good book to build your vocabulary. I've learned many words out of that book, but the best thing I've learned from that book is words are just expressions of your ideas. If you just think about it, you will realize it makes more sense. I'll repeat it. Words are just expressions of your ideas. But what does this have to do with my problem with a dictionary? I'll tell you. When do we use a dictionary? When you read a book, a blog, an article, or a social media post where you come across a new word. Yeah? You automatically turn to dictionary, you search for that word in dictionary and you'll try to get an idea about that word. Yes, so for both of us to use dictionary, we need to know we do not know the word. So for us to use dictionary, we need to know that there is a word, but I don't know that word. Yes, only then you can use a dictionary. But if you notice, when we talk in English, there are many scenarios where you will have an idea in your mind, but you do not know how to express it. You'll be searching for words to express the idea you already have in your mind. We don't know the word there. So what can I do in this scenario? Can I use a dictionary? No. Because for you to use a dictionary, you need a word. You can't search ideas in a dictionary. You'll not get the word there. Yes, that is my problem with dictionary. I have ideas, but dictionary only take words. That's my problem. Yes, so what are we going to do here? You can use a reverse dictionary. In a normal dictionary, you'll type the word and you'll get an idea about it. In a reverse dictionary, you'll type your idea and you'll get a word for it. Exactly the reverse. Now this will help you in learning the words you really need. And guess what? Since there is a strong need for this word, it will be easy for you to practice and remember it. An effortless way to learn words. Yes. So the way this reverse dictionary works is quite simple. In that search bar, you type your idea and you'll get a long list of words. Out of them, you can choose a word which you are really comfortable with and go ahead in your context. So, how is it different? What's so special about this? It allows you to search words with the ideas you have in your mind. I can say this is a search engine for words. Yeah, and for every word you get in that list, one tap on each and every word, you'll get the definition for it. It makes this platform easy to use and highly informative as well. Yes, so the next time you have an idea in your mind and you do not know what to say, you know where to go.